Welcome back to AutoFlair, your home for the latest in automotive innovation and road trip luxury. Today, we've got a real showstopper, the all-new 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome Camper Truck. Now, the Kenworth W900 is a legend in American trucking, famous for its long nose, chrome, and classic big rig styling. But for 2026, Kenworth has turned this iconic truck into a luxury motorhome camper truck that blends old-school style with modern comfort. So let's dive in and see why the W900 camper truck is making waves in the RV world. Number 1. Exterior design. From the outside, the 2026 Kenworth W900 camper truck screams American highway tradition. The long hood, bold chrome grille, twin exhaust stacks, and classic rectangular headlights make it instantly recognizable. But this isn't just a truck, it's a full-on motorhome conversion. Behind the cab sits a sleek, aerodynamic camper module that integrates seamlessly with the truck's classic styling. You get features like a powered awning, rooftop solar panels, exterior storage lockers, and even an optional outdoor kitchen setup. It's the perfect balance of rugged trucking DNA and modern RV design. Number 2. Power and performance. Of course, no Kenworth is complete without serious power under the hood. The 2026 W900 Motorhome Camper Truck offers two options: a hybrid diesel-electric powertrain for fuel efficiency, or a full diesel V8 for those who crave raw highway power. Both options come with automatic transmission, air suspension, and all-wheel drive, giving you smooth handling whether you're hauling across the Midwest or climbing into the Rockies. And thanks to its heavy-duty chassis, this camper truck is more stable at highway speeds than many traditional RVs. Number 3. Interior living space. Step inside and you'll forget you're in a truck. The Kenworth W900 Camper interior is pure luxury. The living space is designed with premium leather seating, hardwood cabinetry, LED ambient lighting, and panoramic windows. Slide-outs expand the lounge, giving you more room to stretch out. For sleeping, you get a king-size master bed in the rear suite, a convertible dinette bed, and an optional overhead cab bunk for kids or guests. That means the W900 camper truck can comfortably sleep up to 5 people. Perfect for families or couples who want extra space. Number 4. Kitchen and dining. The kitchen setup is equally impressive. You'll find a dual-burner induction cooktop, convection microwave/oven combo, full-size smart refrigerator with freezer, stainless steel sink with hot and cold water, and plenty of counter space. The dining area is cozy and converts into a bed when needed. And for outdoor lovers, the W900 also offers a slide-out grill station under the awning. Number 5. Bathroom and comfort features. Unlike old-school truck conversions, the 2026 Kenworth W900 Camper Truck comes with a full bathroom. You'll enjoy a spacious shower, ceramic toilet, and vanity sink, all with premium finishes. Plus, with a 40-gallon freshwater tank and efficient gray/black tank system, you can stay off-grid longer. The camper is fully climate-controlled with roof-mounted AC and hybrid power heating, keeping you comfortable whether you're in Florida heat or Colorado snow. Number 6. Technology and safety. Kenworth didn't stop at luxury. They also added cutting-edge tech. The cab includes a digital driver display, advanced navigation, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras for easy maneuvering. Inside the camper, you'll find smart TV with streaming apps, Wi-Fi hotspot connectivity, wireless charging stations, and a smart home system to control lights, climate, and awning via your phone. Safety features like lane keeping assist and collision avoidance make it one of the most secure motorhomes on the road. Number 7. Price and value. Now let's talk price. The 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome Camper Truck starts around $145,000, with fully loaded luxury versions topping out at about $180,000. That's competitive when you consider Class A RVs at this size, and luxury often costs well over $200,000. With the Kenworth, you're also getting legendary durability and that unmistakable W900 style. So there you have it. the 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome Camper Truck. A perfect blend of classic trucking heritage and modern RV luxury. It's powerful, stylish, and packed with features that make life on the road feel like home. Would you take this beast on a cross-country road trip? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing reviews right here on AutoFlare. Until next time, keep traveling, keep exploring, and keep chasing the open road.